All right, in this video, we're going to be working on a Dell laptop that came in for no charge. Laptop does not charge. Customer said that he is able to turn the laptop on using the charge that's already available on the battery, but suddenly the laptop is not taking a charge and he's not able to charge the battery. So once the battery drains down to zero, he's not going to be able to use it. If you notice right now, we have the battery plugged in, and if we turn it on, we can. You see the light, the keyboard lit up, and the laptop is going to turn on. But it's telling us the battery is critically low. So the battery is critically low. It's going to die at any time. Let me shut the computer off. What I'm going to do is disconnect the battery, and we're going to connect the charging cable to see if the laptop powers on using the charging cable. Right now, we do not know if you have a problem with the charging circuit of the laptop or if we have a problem with the DC in part of the laptop. So if we plug the charging cable and we press on the power button, nothing. Laptop does not turn on. So the problem is not the charging circuit, but rather it's the power DCN circuit. Nothing. Oh, wait a minute. The power bank is actually off, so we were not supplying any power to that laptop, because we should see a light on the charging cable here, like this. Okay, so I lied to you. Plug the charging cable, and if we press on the power button, nothing happens. Nothing happens. Dead. The first thing I want to do is check the charging cable. I want to make sure the charging cable is good before we do anything else. Red is right here, and black is right there. So we can plug the charger in, and we can test those points. And let's test. You should be able to see the monitor and the multimeter. Black probe on ground and red probe right here, and we are getting 18.4 volts. So the problem is not the charging cable. Voltage is reaching, and we can test at the pin side of the connector, of the DC-in connector right here. And let's verify this. And we're going to test from here to right here, and the meter is reading 18 volts. 18.3, 18.4 volts. It's good. Voltage is reaching the motherboard and no problems. So why is the laptop not powering on? Why is the laptop not powering on? What's going on? We do not have a short, of course, because if we did have a short, then the meter would not show us 18 volts. It would show us either 0 volts or a very low voltage reading. So we know that we do not have a short. So right now voltage is going through this MOSFET onto the rest of the board. And this looks like a P-channel, P-type MOSFET. Black probe on ground. And test here. We are getting 18 volts, just the same as the charger. And what if we test right here or right here? 0 volts. Problem solved. Problem is the MOSFET. 0 volts. 13 volts here. We have 18 point something volts here. And we have 0 volts here. We have a bad MOSFET. Right now, if we go to the rest of the board and we test this coil here, we have 0. We have almost 0. 0. We have zeros all over the place. And right now, MOSFET is likely the problem. Right now, to verify that the problem is, in fact, the MOSFET, we can run a jumper wire. We can jump this MOSFET, bypass this MOSFET by running a jumper wire from here to here. Or we can do it from here to here and see if that will solve the problem. If the laptop turns on after we run the jumper wire, then it's clear that the problem is the MOSFET. So let's go ahead and do that now. Of course, we're going to disconnect the charger. Let's run a jumper wire from here to one of those pins. I mean, I'm almost positive that this MOSFET is bad. But who knows? We may have something else wrong with the board. We're going to run a jumper wire from here to here. And we're going to run a jumper wire all the way to right over here. And let's trim that wire. Make sure it's not touching anything else. And we can clean up later, that's not a problem. What do you think? Will the power on? Battery disconnected. And let's hope nothing is gonna blow up. Motherboard is facing this way and not facing my face. So you have to be careful. Charging cable plugged in. And will it power on? Will it power on? Yes. Right there. It's on. Problem is the MOSFET, like I suspected. Problem is the MOSFET. I'm going to locate a similar P-channel MOSFET, replace it, and give it back to the customer. If we do not have the MOSFET in stock, I'm going to have to order it and replace it. But for now, we were able to figure out what the problem is with the laptop. And that's it. Short video and almost time to go home. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and we'll do something else in the next video.